In 2025, Google Pixel phones are dominating the smartphone world with their unbeatable AI smarts, industry-leading cameras, and seamless Android integration. But with so many incredible options, which Pixel is the perfect match for you? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 Google Pixel phones of 2025, from budget-friendly picks that over-deliver on value to premium powerhouses that redefine mobile technology. Whether you're a photographer, a gamer, or just love Google's ecosystem, there's a Pixel for you. Before we get started, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for the latest tech videos, and let us know your favorite Pixel in the comments below. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Google Pixel 9 Pro XL phones. This isn't just another phone. It's packed with cutting-edge tech, a pro-level camera, and features powered by Google's AI. If you're thinking about upgrading, stay tuned as we explore what makes this phone stand out. First up, let's talk about the design. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has an elevated design with a satin, matte back and a polished metal frame. It feels premium and sturdy. The 6.8-inch Super Actual displays are bright and vivid even in sunlight and offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for gaming and scrolling. Now for the camera lovers, the Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a triple rear camera system that's the most powerful Pixel camera yet. With features like Super Residential Zoom Video, you can capture high-quality videos up to 20x zoom plus. With Video Boost and Night Sight Video, your shots will look sharp even in low light. Google's AI shines on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. With the Gemini Advanced AI, you'll have access to powerful features like the Magic Editor, which lets you reframe photos and move objects around. The Add Me feature allows you to add yourself into photos effortlessly, making sure no one is left out of the memory. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by the Google Tensor G2 chip and 16 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance. The battery is impressive too, lasting over 24 hours, and with extreme battery saver mode, you can stretch it up to 100 hours, perfect for those on-the-go days. One of the best things about the Pixel 9 Pro XL is that it's unlocked, giving you the flexibility to switch carriers whenever you want. Plus, you get a year of Gemini Advanced for free, unlocking even more AI features. It's a total value of $239, making this phone an even more attractive deal. Number 2. Google Pixel Fold phones. This sleek device brings the power of the Google Tensor G2 chip into a pocket-sized foldable design. But there's so much more to it. Let's explore what makes the Pixel Fold stand out. First up, the design. The Pixel Fold is crafted with polished aluminum and matte glass, giving it a premium feel. It's thin and fits comfortably in your pocket. The stainless steel hinge feels sturdy, and the Corning Gorilla Glass Vectus makes it scratch-resistant, adding durability to its stylish look. Now let's talk about that stunning display. When folded, you have a full Pixel phone experience on the outside. Unfold it, and you're greeted with a large, immersive display that's perfect for multitasking. With a split screen, you can drag 2 apps from the taskbar and use them side by side, a game-changer for productivity photography enthusiasts. This one's for you. The Pixel Fold comes equipped with a triple rear camera system powered by Google Tensor G2 advanced image processing, whether it's low-light shots or creative selfies. With the rear camera, the Pixel Fold lets you capture moments with incredible detail and clarity, all thanks to its innovative design. Security is top-notch with the Pixel Fold, and the Google Tensor G2 and Titan M2 chips provide layers of protection for your info. Features like fingerprint unlock and face unlock ensure quick and secure access. Plus, the VPN by Google One keeps your online activity safe no matter which browser you're using. Lastly, the Pixel Fold is built to handle real-life challenges with IPX8 water resistance. It's ready for splashes and spills, plus it seamlessly integrates with other Pixel devices like tablets, watches, and earbuds, making it the perfect addition to your Google ecosystem. Number 3. Google Pixel 8a phones. This new AI-powered smartphone is packed with exciting features, from its stunning Pixel camera to impressive security enhancements. Whether you're into photography, multitasking, or just looking for a reliable phone, the Pixel 8 might be your perfect match. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Pixel camera. The Google Pixel 8 offers incredible photo and video quality that will make your Instagram feed pop. With Google AI, you can capture the perfect group shot using the best take and fix those pesky blurry images with photos on blur. Every snap is a masterpiece. Next, the Pixel 8 offers unmatched flexibility with its unlocked Android 5G capabilities. You can easily switch between major carriers like Verizon, T-Mobile at Anti, or even Google Fi. This means you have the freedom to choose your data plan and find the best deal that suits your needs. The 6.1-inch actual display on Pixel 8a is brighter and more vibrant than ever. Whether you're streaming videos, scrolling through social media, or switching between apps, the screen is smooth and responsive. It's perfect for anyone who wants a phone that keeps up with their busy lifestyle. Google AI takes convenience to the next level. Need to search for something? Just draw a circle around an image or text, and you're good to go. You can also get email summaries and brainstorm ideas with Gemini. Call Assist will help you avoid those annoying spam calls. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket worried about battery life. The Pixel adaptive battery can last over 24 hours, and with Extreme Battery Saver, you can stretch that to an impressive 72 hours, so no more panicking about your phone dying when you need it most. This phone is designed to keep up with you. Number 4. Google Pixel 7 Pro Phones. A phone that's packed with features to make your everyday life easier and more fun. From a powerful processor to an amazing camera setup, this device is a serious contender in the smartphone market. Let's explore what makes the Pixel 7 Pro a top choice. The Google Pixel 7 Pro comes with the latest Google Tensor G2 processor delivering fast and efficient performance. It's designed to handle your apps and games with ease and with improved AI capabilities. It's smarter than ever. Whether you're multitasking or using AI-driven features, this processor has you covered to experience blazing fast internet speeds with the Pixel 7 Pro's 5G connectivity. Whether you're streaming videos, downloading files, or just browsing the web, you'll appreciate the seamless connection on major carriers. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth, high-speed performance wherever you go. The Pixel 7 Pro's adaptive battery is designed to last over 24 hours, even with extended use. It learns your favorite apps and reduces power to the ones you rarely use, so you can stay connected all day long without worrying about your battery dying. You enjoy an ultra-smooth experience with the Pixel 7 Pro's 120Hz display. The refresh rate intelligently adjusts to your content, ensuring fluid visuals, whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos. This vibrant and sharp display makes everything look stunning. The camera setup on the Pixel 7 Pro is top-notch, featuring telephoto and ultra-wide lenses that capture stunning photos and videos. Whether you're snapping landscapes or close-ups, you'll get crisp, clear images with rich colors. The camera also excels in low light, making it perfect for night photography. Number 5. Google Pixel 6a Phones. A phone that's all about speed, security, and seamless performance. If you're in the market for a reliable 5G Android phone that packs a punch without breaking the bank, stick around, because this might be the perfect pick for you. Starting with the design, the Pixel 6 sports a sleek and minimalist bar form factor. The 6.1-inch OLED display is vibrant, boasting a 20:9 aspect ratio and a 1:1 contrast ratio. Whether streaming videos or scrolling through social media, everything looks sharp and vivid on this screen. Under the hood, the Pixel 6a is powered by Google Tensor, the first chip designed by Google specifically for Pixel phones. This makes everything from launching apps to loading web pages incredibly fast and smooth. If you're someone who values quick performance, the Pixel 6a won't disappoint. Next up is the camera, and Google delivers once again. The Pixel 6a features a 12-megapixel camera with advanced tools like a magic eraser, motion mode, and portrait mode. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or perfect selfies, this phone makes sure your photos look professional and polished. Now let's talk battery. The Pixel 6a's fast charging all day. Battery is another highlight. It adapts to your usage patterns, saving power for your most used apps. Plus, with just a few minutes of charging, you can get hours of power, which is perfect for those on-the-go moments. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.